Hello, Amazing All Stars. Today is Friday, February 25th. Let's find out what is on our number corner. Here we go. We have our card for the day, and we've been talking about congruent shapes all month long. Whoa! We have two shapes that have four sides each, which we know are quadrilateral because quad means four. Two four-sided shapes. They appear to be the same size and the same shape. So class, are they congruent? Yes, they are. Two congruent shapes. Actually, rhombuses. Two rhombuses. So we're going to go here and fill this in. And we're going to say that we have these two congruent shapes. Two rhombuses with today's date. So now we have today's date, both rhombuses, two four-sided shapes with four vertices, and they are congruent to one another. As we continue to talk more and more about our number corner, we are now going to go into our days in school. And we're going to add another day to our chart, which now makes it 105 days. 105 days that we've been in school. We'll change this information to show 105. And I hope you're seeing patterns here. 105 is three numbers, not 1005. It's not four numbers, it's three numbers. 105, 10 groups of 10, 5 ones, and it's 100 plus 5. And finally, we have 10 dimes and 5 pennies. Then we will add one more cube to make 105. Next, we're going to go to our cube collection. It's a Friday. We've been collecting cubes for this short week. The first day we had 8 cubes. Yesterday we had one more, and let's see what we'll have this day. Do you see what I see? It's barely there, but it's on the number 8, which means we get to add 8 more cubes to our collection. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 3 numbers we're adding together this time. We have 8 plus 1 plus 8. A simple way to do this is to combine 2 numbers. So we could say this. We could do it many ways. We could take those 2 numbers that are the same, 8 plus 8, which is a double. I can add doubles. It's no trouble for me to add doubles. Add those 2 numbers together to come up with 8 plus 8 is what, class? 16. And 16 plus the number we haven't used yet, which is the number 1. 16 plus 1 equals 17. So 17 cubes we've collected this particular week. We're going to go to our chart where we're keeping track of these things. And we're going to type that in. Week 4, 17 cubes. It's a short week. Very, very short week. So we didn't have the opportunity to collect tons and tons of cubes, but we did collect 17. Very good, All-Stars. Final thing that I want to talk to you about this day is adding on the number line. Adding on the number line. And I know some of you may say, well, Mrs. Graham, I can do that. That's easy peasy lemon squeezy. Well, let's do it. Let's just do it. Here's our chance. We have 89. What would that number be that comes after 89? What would that next number be? 89. If you said 90, you are correct. 90. My 9 looks weird. Then we have, what are the numbers to go from 90 all the way down to this box that's red? Can you help us figure those out? So 91. Keep going. 92. I'm writing them up and down to give me enough room to write, but if you'd like to write them yourself going across, you can do that. 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. What is that number that's in the red box? 100. If you said 100, you are correct. Here's my challenge for you now. I'd like you to keep counting, and you're going to count on from the number 100, which is right here, this red box, all the way down to this red box. And what will that missing number be? I know you can do it, All-Stars. I believe in you. Off you go.